Welcome back guys, this is Nikhil, and in this video let's see how to send a WhatsApp message or watch YouTube video using Python's package. Before writing the code, we need to install a package called pywhatkit. See, install pywhatkit. After installing successfully, open your PyCharm. Create a file name as your wish, and now let's import pywhatkit with its alias name, let's say kit. Now let's see how to watch a YouTube video. Using this package, let's say kit dot play on YT. That means play on YouTube, and you can give the title, let's see, sorry, and now let's run the program. It takes at least 2 to 3 seconds to open your browser and play a video. Terminate the program. Now let's see how to send a WhatsApp message using this package. To do that, type kit dot send WhatsApp message, and you need to give the phone number, the message you want to send, at what time, and with minutes. Let's see. Let's give the message. This is Python generated message. And at what time we need to give. The time is 1:22, and we need to give at least 2 minutes difference, say 13:24. And now let's run the program. After 28 seconds it will try to open your WhatsApp web, and then after a minute it tries to send message to your friend. Let's see, let's wait. As you can see, it opens WhatsApp web. After a minute it tries to send this message. The message has been successfully sent. Now we can terminate the program. Now let's see how to do a Google search using this package. Kit dot search and give a topic. let's say Python, and now let's run the program. As you can see, it displays the output. We can also shut down our system using a method called shutdown. Let's do that. Git dot shutdown, and you need to give a time. Let's say 20. Now let's run the program. Unfortunately, Mac users cannot do this. This function is only for Windows and Linux users. If any Windows or Linux users watching this, comment down if it's whether it's working or not. Using this package, we can also get information about a particular topic. Let's see how. Info. Just type git.info and get the topic. Let's say Python, and in how many lines you want to get the output. Let's say 3. Now let's run the program. As you can see, 3 lines from Wikipedia, which is about Python, displays here. So that's it for the video, guys. Do like, subscribe.
I'm in love with the cold.